Ever wondered why your favorite Southeast Asian dishes have that unique blend of flavors? Today we're embarking on a culinary journey, from the bustling streets of China to the vibrant markets of Southeast Asia. So let's dig in. Well, subscribe and grab a seat at the table because we're diving into a delicious tale of culture, migration, and, of course, food. Imagine the world in the 19th century, a time of exploration, innovation, and for many, a time of seeking new beginnings. As economic opportunities beckoned from afar, a wave of adventurous souls embarked on a journey across the seas, leaving behind the familiar landscapes of China for the promise of the unknown in Southeast Asia. These were the pioneers of the Chinese diaspora, brave souls who dared to dream beyond the horizon. But little did they know, they were also about to leave an indelible mark on the culinary landscape of Southeast Asia. You see, as these intrepid travelers made their way to distant shores, they didn't just carry their hopes and dreams in their hearts. They also brought with them something equally precious, their recipes. From the bustling ports of Guangzhou to the vibrant streets of Penang, Chinese immigrants brought their rich culinary heritage along for the ride. And as they settled in their new homes, they began to weave their flavors into the fabric of Southeast Asian cuisine. Picture this. Fragrant spices mingling with sizzling woks, creating a symphony of aromas that would soon become the soundtrack of Southeast Asian kitchens. It wasn't just about sustenance, it was about forging connections, bridging cultures, and celebrating the shared human experience through the universal language of food. So the next time you're savoring a bowl of steaming hot noodles, or indulging in a plate of succulent dumplings, remember the journey that brought those flavors to your table. A journey of courage, resilience, and above all, a journey of taste. Now let's dive deeper into the sizzling heart of Southeast Asian cuisine, the stir-fry, a bustling kitchen alive with the rhythmic clang of woks and the hypnotic dance of flames beneath. But what's the secret ingredient that gives these dishes their irresistible allure? You guessed it, the Chinese touch. Stir-frying isn't just a cooking technique, it's an art form, a symphony of flavors and textures that come together in perfect harmony. And it's all thanks to our culinary trailblazers from China. From the fiery streets of Sichuan to the bustling markets of Bangkok, the stir-fry has become a culinary canvas for chefs across Southeast Asia to unleash their creativity. Whether it's the iconic pad thai bursting with tangy tamarind, or the fragrant char kway teow sizzling with smoky goodness, these dishes owe their bold flavors to the Chinese immigrants who brought their stir-fry prowess to foreign shores. But it's not just about technique, it's about passion, innovation, and a shared love for good food. Because let's face it, nothing brings people together quite like a steaming bowl of noodles or a sizzling plate of vegetables fresh from the wok. Now let's explore the spice-laden journey that has left an indelible mark on the vibrant tapestry of Southeast Asian cuisine. Close your eyes and imagine the heady aroma of exotic spices wafting through bustling markets. The vibrant colors of turmeric, chili, and cinnamon tantalizing your senses. But where did these fiery flavors originate? You guessed it, from the spice-filled bazaars of China. Spices aren't just ingredients, they're storytellers, weaving tales of adventure and discovery with every fragrant breath. And it's all thanks to our intrepid spice merchants from the Middle Kingdom. From the ancient Silk Road to the bustling ports of Southeast Asia, Chinese merchants carried with them a treasure trove of exotic spices, transforming bland dishes into taste sensations. Whether it's the fiery heat of Sichuan peppercorns or the earthy richness of star anise, these aromatic additions have become the backbone of Southeast Asian cuisine. Let's embark on a culinary adventure where East meets West, where tradition dances with innovation, and where the flavors of the past collide with the tastes of the future. Welcome to the world of fusion cuisine, a delicious melting pot where Chinese culinary techniques mingle with Southeast Asian ingredients in a symphony of flavors. Fusion cuisine isn't just about mixing ingredients, it's about pushing boundaries, challenging conventions, and creating something entirely new and exciting. And it's all thanks to our daring culinary pioneers who dared to dream beyond borders. From the streets of Singapore to the markets of Manila, fusion cuisine has become a playground for chefs to unleash their creativity, blending the familiar with the exotic in dishes that defy categorization. Whether it's the tantalizing aroma of Hainanese chicken rice served with a side of tangy sambal, or the savory goodness of Chinese-style noodles infused with the spicy kick of Thai curry, these dishes are a testament to the endless possibilities of culinary fusion. But it's not just about innovation. It's about celebration, appreciation, and a shared love for the culinary arts. Because let's face it, nothing brings people together quite like a plate of food that transcends borders and bridges cultures. So the next time you find yourself craving something bold, something daring, something truly unforgettable, remember the journey that brought those flavors to your plate? A journey of creativity, collaboration, and above all, a journey of taste. Now let's delve into the heartwarming stories that simmer beneath the surface of every dish. The tales of tradition, nostalgia, and the enduring bonds of family and community. Because for many, food isn't just sustenance, it's a taste of home, a connection to their roots, and a celebration of their heritage. Food is more than just ingredients. It's memories, it's love. It's the thread that binds us together across generations and continents. And it's all thanks to the countless families who have kept their culinary traditions alive, passing down recipes from one generation to the next. Whether it's the comforting embrace of a bowl of congee shared with loved ones on a chilly morning, or the joy of celebrating Lunar New Year with a feast fit for royalty, these dishes are more than just food. They're a taste of home, a reminder of who we are and where we come from. But it's not just about tradition. It's about resilience, adaptation, and the enduring spirit of community. Because let's face it, no matter where life takes us, there's nothing quite like the warmth of a home-cooked meal shared with the ones we love. And there you have it, the incredible tale of how the Chinese diaspora left its flavorful mark on Southeast Asian cuisine. So next time you're enjoying that spicy bowl of laksa or savory plate of fried rice, remember? It's not just food, it's history on a plate. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on cooking and keep on exploring.